Hello everyone, my name is Neil. My NIM 173017, my kelas 175E01. Komputer and hardware. Computer. Computer, according to computer expert, is an electronic device that works systematically and carefully to process various kinds of data, such as data, number, sound, and image. KBI. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing various tasks, namely requires input, processing input according to instructions given, storing command and processing result, and providing output in the form information. Computer function. Number 1, input data. Computer machines are able to request information or data from other sources that come from outside. The data will be easily recovered through various activities on the keyboard, mouse, or from computer and other equipment. 2. Data processing. The most important function of a computer is to perform data so that later is able to produce output in the form of information. Usually, the data processing in the computer evaluate in the form of image, text, audio, graphic, and other. 3. Data output. The next function of the computer is to be able to provide output result after going through various data processing process. This information can later be presented using monitor, printer, and speaker for data storage. Computer can now be present as a place to store data so that data can be easily found and shown by user. That can then be stored in the computer memory or internal memory. Hardware is the physical component of a computer system that can be touched and felt. In contrast to software that is digital, hardware includes all real devices that support the running of a computer system. If explained in more detail, the hardware in a computer system is hardware that acts as a means of execution of various processes that are controlled by software. Hardware includes a variety components range from input devices such as keyboard and mouse, output devices such as monitor and printer, to storage devices of such as hard device and SSD. Hardware function. That 1. Data processing hardware, such as the CPU, central processing unit, play a central role in the data processing. The CPU is in charge of processing the raw data provided by the user to useful information. Yang 2. Data storage hardware, such as hard device and solid state drives to SSDs, are used to store data in various forms. This data can be document, application to multimedia file. Storage device also divided into two main types. Yang 3, user interaction with the system hardware device as keyboard, mic, and touchscreen facilitate the interaction between the user and the computer system. This function allows the user to give interaction and reaction a response from the computer. 4. Providers of good hardware such as monitor and printer allow digital data to be converted into information that can be reached by human with her in the form of visual, printer, and sounds. Thank you everyone for your attention. Bye bye.